So we got word that our new water heater will be in today, and here is the old one. It's a little Suburban 6-gallon. You can see those specs in there, but it's old. It's 20-something years old, so this thing leaks, and so let's get it going. Alrighty, so in replacing your little 6-watt or 6-gallon water heater here, this is a bourbon. I've already taken out the ionized rod, so it was bad, but that was also the one I replaced about 6 months ago. They were telling how long it was before the last one was replaced. So check it out. It's old, it's leaky. We're gonna be removing it. First, we gotta take off the well, we need to turn the gas off first, and then take off the gas line, pull it out a little bit. We're going to have to cut the sealant off. My door won't be here till Friday, so this video is going to be through a few days, but it should be simple enough. Let's get to it.
I wonder if it's my wires that I've ran under it. No, nothing's under it. There we go. Now we can grab it from the outside.
stay tuned.